question comes from 2021 Hong Kong Team Selection Test. In this question, we are asked to find all triple ABC satisfying this equation. Note that there is a base 2 in each of the terms. So we may let x to be 2 to the power of a, y to be 2 to the power of b, and z to be 2 to the power of c. In this case, x, y, z are all positive. We are asked to find all x, y, z such that x squared plus 1, y squared plus 2, and z squared plus 8 equals to x, y, and z, and that is 32. It is not encouraged to expand the equation on the left hand side. Instead, by looking at this is something to do with just GM inequality. So from GM inequality, we know that x squared plus 1 is greater than or equal to 2 of x. And y squared plus 2 will be greater than or equal to 2 of square root 2y. And z squared plus 8 will be greater than or equal to 2 of 2 square root 2z. So we just need to multiply everything on the left hand side. And we obtain x squared plus 1, y squared plus 2, z squared plus 8 will be greater than or equal to, in this case, this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 32 x, y, z. Go back to this equation, then we will see that in this case the equality holds. So we will check that the equality holds if and only if x squared equals 1, and since x is positive, x is equals to 1. And for this case, y will be equal to square root of 2, and for z, for the last one, z should be 2 square root of 2. X is equal to 2a. So 2a equals 1. 2b equals to 2 power half. And 2c equals to 2 power 3 over 2. And also, 1 is equal to 2 to the power of 0. And in this case, we know that the answer of A, B, C will be just equal to 0, half, and 3 over 2. So with this simple observation, we can solve this equation easily. As usual, I prepared something similar for you to try it on. Please work it on and check your answer in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. That's all for today. See you again. Bye-bye.